Hi, I'm Stephen Webster. I'd like to welcome you to 277 Surrey Road in Kewdale. This solid brick and tile family home with jarrah floorboards is only a few minutes from the beautiful Tomato Lake and the Belmont Forum and major bus routes. Plus, you could keep the home, build another one behind and have that multi-generational living. Or just build a dream home with a swimming pool and tennis court. And if you've got a long-term view, just land bank it and wait for the zoning to change. So come on in and enjoy the tour. Hi, welcome back. Hope you've enjoyed your tour of 277 Surrey Road in Kewdale. As you can see, neat and tidy, quintessential family home on land and more land. For more details about the property, please call my mobile. And as you know, the next viewing time is on the Burke's website.